Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do this really cute look for you guys. Usually I'd be doing cut creases and all that, but I kind of wanted to make it really cute and bring it down a notch but still easy. I'm going to show you guys my entire face routine too and all of that as well. But yeah, so I wanted to keep it pretty simple and quick for you guys so that we can jump right into it and you can just enjoy. Let's get to it. Hello everyone, so we're going to do it a little bit differently in this video. We're just going to jump right into it. We're going to start off with some tape. We're going to take the shade Sweet Spot in Honey, and we're just going to get a fluffy brush. You don't have to be precise on this. You just want to put it all over your lid. Just work it right into the crease. Blend, blend, blend. Next shade that we're going to take from that palette is Oh Behave, and we're just going to put that in the same spot. We're just going to keep blending, blending, and blending. We're going to take the Saharan palette. We're going to take that burnt orange shade and only pack the color in the outer V, and then take that shade Oh Behave again and blend it out. Next, we're going to jump right into the Blue Blood, and we're going to take the shade Wealthy, and we're just going to pack that on our lid just to give it more of a clean look. And then we're gonna remove the tape and then start on our face. Taking the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, we're gonna put that all over our face, and then after that we're gonna take the L'Oreal Infallible foundation. I really like this foundation. This foundation is a really good drugstore one. Next up is the Revlon Candid Concealer. We're just gonna put this on our highlighting points of our face and then blend it out. If you had any other blemishes you wanted to cover up, this would be the time. You don't want to load up on having a heavy foundation. Always use concealer if you need to cover up anything extra. Alright, next is powder. Now how I like to do powder is to lightly dust all over the face, and then I go straight into baking. So I always do underneath my eyes, forehead, my nose, my smile lines, and my chin. Basically getting all the places where I get oily and to prevent creasing. And then while that's baking, I go in with my contour, Benefit Hoola, and I just go in my cheekbones and on my temples, just getting the general areas. And then after that, I go in with my blush, Elizabeth Mott, Show Me Your Cheeks. And then after that, I dust away my bake, and then we go into highlight. Using one of the Laura Geller highlighters, we're going to put that right above our blush. I like to put it above my lip, on my chin, on the bridge of my nose, and right above my eyebrows. And now moving back to our eyes, we're going to grab a NYX eyeliner pencil. This is one of the pastel ones, and we're going to put that right underneath. And then we're going to go back into the Blue Blood palette, and we're going to grab the two shades Minty and I'm Cold and put them right underneath our waterline as well. Now for our inner corner and eyebrow highlight, we're going to go back into the highlighter that we used on our face, and we're going to put that right on the inner corner and underneath the brow bone. And then last but not least, we add our lashes. So I don't know about you guys, but I struggle with putting on fake lashes, and I have found these lashes so helpful for if you're struggling a little bit on how to do it. And in fact, I feel like after using these for a while, it actually makes it a little bit easier putting on lashes with adhesive. So super fun, super easy. You just put on the liquid eyeliner, you wait for it to dry, and then you just pop those lashes right on. Okay, now the actual last step. Apply some lipstick and your look is now complete. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you like these kinds of videos, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye!